Hey everybody, just giving you updates on the fires of California that's happening right now. Currently, right now, the Cascade Fire, the one that's in Pomona, California, down in wine country, 73,000 acres, which is approximately 110 square miles, only 15% contained. And then the one in the Getty, near the Getty Museum, currently right now it's over 600 acres on the hillside of West Los Angeles. The Oak Fire, which is north of the 101, there's not much information on that yet. But the San Fernando, they call it the Tick Fire, is more than 4,600 acres, more than that, it says, according to that. And they said the height of what it is, the Saddle Ridge Fire, which is in San Fernando Valley, says it's about 8,800 acres fire. 628 homes were on the fire of the Palisades Fire on that, and then north of the Caps Fire, they call it Capels Fire, which is about 3,400 acres in El Dorado, County, which is Sacramento, about 87% contained. And the fire in Mendocino County, it's about 60% Trilogy Mountain, even Shasta has a fire down there. It's about 4,400, so 2,400 acres of the fire.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.